Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing one of my favorite summertime, actually I'll eat them all year long, but they come out in summertime, the Otter Pops Original. They're artificial flavored. There's 6 zippy flavors. The flavors are strawberry, blue raspberry, grape, lemon lime, punch, and orange flavor. They're 100 1-ounce pops. This box has been used a bit, but this is what they look like before they are frozen. These are all the different flavors on the line. I usually search for the grape ones. Those are my absolute favorite. They are gluten-free, fat-free, and they're the ultimate summertime treat. Incredibly easy to make. You just take the Otter Pops out of the box and put them in the freezer. Wait for the liquid to freeze, snip off the top, and your frozen treat is ready to enjoy. And like I said, they're fat-free. It's a healthier frozen treat option as ice cream bars, which sometimes I actually love ice cream bars, but I find Otter Pops you can eat a few more if you like, since they're only 100 calories each. They're gluten-free, so they'll fit into most diets and lifestyle, and they're kind of a guilt-free treat. This package has 100 in here, so it depends on how many you go through and how fast you go through, but they have all these fun little characters. So popular amongst generations of folks, Otter Pops satisfy your taste for a refreshing escape. Summertime, leisure time, anytime, this frosty delight adds a little character to your day. Like laughter, fun, and joy, they're best shared with your family and friends. Otter Pops creating cool memories since 1970. So once again, there's 6 zippy flavors. You just take these bad boys out, stick them. You can't. I found that if you put the whole box in the freezer, there's not enough room to freeze them in the box. So you actually have to take them out and lay them flat for them to freeze. But they're a really nice nighttime, daytime treat anytime. And this is what they look like frozen. These are 2 orange and I think a fruit punch. You just take them off. They just separate easily like that. You just cut the top off like that, and this is what it looks like when it comes out. I'm gonna take a bite. Absolutely delicious. This one's orange. My husband's favorite, I think, is the fruit punch, which I believe is this one right here. It's something I've been eating since I was a kid. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna pop this one off and actually give it to my husband, who's here filming. It can be consumed pretty quickly. They melt pretty fast, but they also freeze up pretty quickly. I find that they make me pretty happy. And if you buy the 100 count, you're gonna have it for a little while. They're much better than the flavor ice pops, which I've tried. These ones just have a better flavor to them. They're fruitier, more delicious. I've tried other not other Otter Pops, but flavor ice and also slush puppy bars. Slush puppy bars are kind of fun, but the most satisfying to me out of all of those is the Otter Pops. So, also they're kosher. They all have fun names. The strawberry is Strawberry Short Kook. Lime one is Sir Isaac Lime. There is Louie Bloo Raspberry. This one is Little Orphan Orange. There's also Alexander the Grape. Poncho Punch, which is a delicious one as well. They are, it's about 6 pounds of Otter Pops in the 100 Ice Pops box. And when it ships, it's about 6.7 pounds. And they're just a fun little frozen treat for the summer. They're really delicious. Not particularly nutritious, but they're fun. So I would give them a try. Check them out. Absolutely love these Otter Pops. 5 out of 5 stars. And like I said, you don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks for watching.